Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the first video of 2025. I hope you all had an amazing holiday season and are ready to embrace this new year. First project of the year, I partnered with Domi Outdoor Living. They have everything you need to make your outdoor space great, from gazebos, pergola, patio umbrellas. They have lounge chairs, storage solutions, and also patio furniture. So this spring, don't forget to check them out so you can get your patio ready for summer. So I partnered with them to surprise my brother with a louver pergola. They have so many options, as you can see here on their website, different colors, different sizes, at a very great prices. So I'm sure you remember my brother's backyard when we did a little makeover here with this new sectional sofa. So now he was in really need of a shade space here, and the louver pergola was the great choice from Domi Outdoor Living because it's gonna give him shade whenever he wants, but also it gives him the option to open it up. So here we are, everything came nicely packed, you guys, and we're putting everything out of the boxes so we could start building this pergola. The installation process, you guys, was extremely easy. The instructions were pretty straightforward. You're gonna need 2 people to do this at least, and it took my brother and my stepdad about 3.5 hours to get this job done. Pergola that I chose for my brother's patio is the Domi aluminum louver pergola in the color gray, and the size is 12 by 16. So this pergola, it's made of aluminum. It comes with a system that it would drain itself, so you don't have to worry about water leaking in through your pergola louvers. So this is great stuff, and it's perfect for year round and any weather conditions. The adjustable louver roof is great for Florida because whenever you want to allow sunlight in, you could let it in. But when you want shade, you could just close them and have shade in your backyard. So look how beautiful this pergola is, you guys. I love the color and the detail of this pergola. Here I am opening the pergola louver so you guys can see. For the final step, we added the netting and also the outdoor curtains to, keep mosquitoes away and also give privacy whenever he would need privacy in this area. And you guys, look how beautiful everything looks. I love that this pergola comes with the netting because there's a lot of mosquitoes down here in South Florida. So he's in love with his new pergola. I want to thank Domi Outdoor Living for sponsoring part of today's video. Don't forget to check the description, use my discount code, and the link is on the bio. And stay tuned to see my brother's backyard transformation for the spring. We're not done yet. So now back at home, it was time to bring Christmas down, and me and the hubby got to work because Caitlin was taking her nap and Jaden was at my mom's house. We were on a time crunch to do this, you guys. I am so happy again that this year I decorated very lightly, very minimal, and honestly, when it's time to put things away, it's just a breeze. So I like this. When I was done picking up everything downstairs, I headed upstairs and I started in Jaden's room, removing all his Christmas decor, Christmas pillows, and then the Christmas tree. After I remove all the Christmas decor, of course, I have to vacuum and map with my favorite vacuum ever. Then I went ahead and dust all his desk area and put everything nicely neat and organized. I got the hubby to hang this frame here that Jaden got for Christmas. Also, I put his little plant back, and then the struggle began to put this new rug that I got. Putting a rug in Jaden's room, it's always a struggle because it's a tight space and then the bed is so heavy to lift it, but here we are, we got it done. After Jaden's room was nice and clean, this is how everything looked. He's gonna get so happy when he comes back home from my mom's house. I headed straight into Kaylin's room, which I know that was a little messy because she's been playing and spending a lot of time in her room. So here I am just bringing everything down from the Christmas tree first. Kaylin wake up from her nap as soon as the hubby took out the Christmas tree, so I brought her back. She was sleeping in my room, so she was over there with the monitors and everything. Then I brought her little plant back, put her on the crib, and I just started to vacuum the space real well so we don't have any, Christmas stuff on her rug. And then over here I am just organizing her little toys to get ready to wipe her desk, put some clothes away that I had standing there, and there she is just jumping around. When I was done with Kaylin's room, I headed downstairs again to kind of wipe down everything and map the floors downstairs. And you guys, I'm not gonna be doing much to this entryway yet because I have plans to do a little makeover to this area. But now let's style my shelves. I don't think they're gonna stay like this, but hey, for now, let's put something on them. So I printed some photos because I wanted to add some family photos into the shelf area here in the living room. I added these boxes because of course we need a place to keep the controls, and I just added this little thing that I had previously. So I worked with everything that I had in my home to style the shelves because spring is coming, so you already know that we're gonna probably be changing things up in this area soon. And then when I get my new furniture, maybe I get inspired and I change everything. But for now, I just wanted to add something here. I didn't want to leave them empty. for today's video. Thanks a lot for watching. And look how the living room looks right now without the Christmas decor. I am loving it. Honestly, I cannot wait to get new furniture into this space. See you all in the next video. God bless.